Patty. Hey. Hi. Guys.
What are you doing out here alone?
I'm texting. Because I got great service here. So.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing here?
Well, you shouldn't be out here alone. You should read papers.
No. I don't read papers for retards.
Well, read this one, and it's not Halloween jokes. Where if they bite someone, most of the time that person dies. But on some occasions, person will. Nice, guys.
No,
it's not a
seriously.
joke. Seriously.
Yeah.
I mean, we know it's Halloween, but it's not a joke. Seriously. Who went to this? Okay, well, we gotta go.
We gotta go.
See ya.
So.
See ya. Wait, guys. Guys, where are you? Guys, yeah, this isn't funny at all. You probably just like cleaning it out. Guys, come on, this isn't funny anymore. Seriously, this can't scare me. Guys? Okay, you got me. I believe it. Haha, I'm scared now. Come out. Guys? Guys, seriously, come on.